Hello everyone, in this video, I am going to show you how to add a logo in WordPress. When you first install WordPress, it uses a default theme that usually displays only a site title or text in the header. This works fine, but it does not look professional without your own logo. The good news is adding a logo is very simple and only takes a few minutes. The first way is through the default theme settings. Go to your WordPress dashboard, click on Appearance and then Customize. In the Site Identity section, you will see an option to upload a logo. Click on Select Logo, choose your image and publish the changes. Your logo will now replace the text in the header. Depending on the theme, you may be able to adjust its size or placement here. If you want more control, you can use Divi. Divi makes it easy to not just upload a logo but also decide exactly where and how it appears. After you install and activate Divi, open the Theme Builder from the Divi menu. Inside the menu module, you will see an option to upload your logo. Select your file, upload it as your logo, and then adjust its size to make sure it fits nicely with your navigation bar. Divi gives you full control over positioning, so you can place your logo on the left, center, or even to the right of your menu items depending on the style you want. Beyond just placement, you can fine-tune the spacing around your logo so it doesn't feel cramped, add background colors or gradients to your header for a more polished look, and even apply subtle hover effects or animations to give it a modern, dynamic feel. All of this can be done visually without writing a single line of code, which makes it easy to customize your branding and create a header that looks professional and matches your overall website design. Divi also allows you to set different logo styles for desktop, tablet, and phone so your design looks good on every device. For example, you might use a full logo on desktop but a smaller version on mobile. Once you are happy with the look, click Save and view your site. You will see your logo displayed in a clean and professional way. If you want to try Divi and unlock all of these customization options, use the link in the description to go to the website.